1. Equipment assembly and power display. Now we start to demonstrate the assembly of 5X components after unboxing and the application of power supply. As shown in the video, first install the transparent scale bracket and transparent scale pan on the device sensor, tighten them with the provided hexagonal wrench, and center the scale pan during installation. Note the scale pan is an important equipment. Violent squeezing and pulling is prohibited. Assemble the sliding rod and liquid outlet head. Now install the sliding rod into the liquid outlet head from below. Use black Torx screws to fix the sliding rod on the back of the device and tighten it. The sliding rod can be adjusted in height within the range of 0到320毫米 up and down. To install the liquid inlet pipe, screw 2 small stainless steel clamps on both ends of the liquid outlet pipe as shown in the video, and insert the liquid inlet pipe into the stainless steel joints of the pump and liquid outlet head respectively. Note that these 2 clamps must be tightened, otherwise there is a risk of leakage. Installation of liquid inlet pipe. First screw the large stainless steel clamp on the end face of the liquid inlet pipe. Insert it into the stainless steel elbow under the pump and tighten it. Note that it is best to use pliers to tighten this position, otherwise there will be a risk of air and liquid leakage, resulting in the liquid being unable to be pumped out. If the throttle valve is installed in the video position, do not go too far down, otherwise the throttle valve will be damaged quickly. A DC power supply demonstration. 5X equipment is suitable for DC 12 volts and AC 100 到240 volts. Global range voltage can be used and supports customization of standard plugs in various countries around the world. For cleaning equipment demonstration. When the filling work is completed, rotate the liquid outlet elbow upward to prevent the liquid remaining in the liquid outlet from dripping on the equipment. After removing the throttle valve, press the cleaning button. The liquid inside the pipe will be pumped back into the raw material barrel. Press Start button to stop. After all the liquid returns to the raw material barrel, if the raw material liquid is easily dissolved and needs to be cleaned with water, you can use warm water to put the liquid inlet pipe and the liquid outlet pipe together in the warm water bucket as shown in the video demonstration. Press the Start button to start the cycle cleaning. If the equipment extracts chemical products, you can also use alcohol to clean it according to the above method. If necessary, you can use a 6 毫米 hex wrench to dismantle the transparent plate in front of the pump head for internal cleaning. Three filling methods introduction. Now start the preparation work before filling. Install the anti-suction bucket bottom device on the front end of the liquid inlet pipe according to the video and lock it tight, and then put it into the liquid container. Use a syringe to inject 20到40毫升 of liquid into the pump cavity. tighten the plug screw, and then press the start button to start the device to introduce liquid. After the liquid reaches the top of the liquid outlet pipe, press the start button again to stop the liquid introduction work. Liquid drip adjustment demonstration. Because the equipment can extract liquids of different viscosities and thicknesses, thick liquids are not easy to drip. In the video, the liquid keeps dripping after it is filled to weight. Therefore, we set up an adjustment program in the built-in program. Press and hold the setting button for 2 seconds to enter the function setting interface. Use ME to find the ninth reversal time, and use M3 to adjust the reversal time to the range of 0.3 到 0.5 seconds. After making changes, press the Clean button to return to the main interface. After changing the parameters, there will be no dripping when filling again. Weight compensation demonstration. If you find that the set weight is different from the filled weight during use of the machine, please don't worry. There are 2 ways to solve this problem. For example, if 500克 is set in the video, the actual liquid output is only 495克. The first method is to directly set the filling weight to 505克. The second way is as demonstrated in the video by making changes from within the program. Press and hold the setting button for 2 seconds to enter the function setting interface. Use ME to find the 7th item, the grams to stop in advance. If there are a few grams less, reduce the number of grams, and if there are more grams, add a few grams. After setting, press the Clean button to return to the main interface. Filling again can be very accurate. Automatic mode filling demonstration. In automatic mode, after setting the weight and trigger value of the filling liquid, just put the bottle on the weighing pan. Note that during formal filling, the suitable distance between the liquid outlet and the bottle mouth is about 2 厘米, and don't make it too high or too low, as this will easily cause the bottle to shake and affect the filling accuracy. Manual mode filling demonstration. After placing the bottle, press the tail button and then press the start button. The equipment starts filling to the set weight value. Manual mode including bottle growth refilling demonstration. After knowing the weight of the bottle, add the weight of the filled liquid to the number obtained. After setting it through the setting button, press the start button directly. This saves you the complicated process of pressing the tail key every time. 2. Main control system introduction. Shortcut keys default factory values: M1 500克, M2 1000克, M3 2500克, M4 5000克. Shortcut button settings. The method to reset the shortcut buttons is as follows. Press and hold any shortcut button for 2 seconds to enter the internal shortcut button setting program. After entering the internal program, use M3 and M4 to adjust the weight digitally by long pressing or inching. For example, in video operations, you can set the weight of each shortcut button. After setting is completed, press the Clean button again to return to the main interface. Tail button demonstration. When using this button in manual mode, tearing means removing the gross weight of the bottle. After placing the bottle on the weighing pan, remove the gross weight of the bottle so that the filled liquid reaches the set weight value. You can also add the gross weight of the liquid and the bottle to get a value, then set it on the weight value and directly press the start button to fill installation. thus avoid the complex process of pressing the tail key every time. Set button demonstration. The setting key is used to set the capacity of the filling liquid. Press the setting key to enter the program to set the filling weight. Press the setting key here to complete the setting. As demonstrated in the video, any weight value within the equipment capacity range can be set. Trigger button demonstration. The trigger button is only used when the equipment is filling in automatic mode. The trigger value refers to the value that the weighing system senses whether the bottle is placed on the weighing pan. The equipment can only start running after it is sensed. This value should be set smaller than the empty bottle weight, but the range cannot be very large. Otherwise, the device will not start filling in automatic mode. For example, if the bottle in the video weighs 26 克, the trigger value is set to 15 克, and if the bottle weighs 176克, the trigger value is set to 100克, and so on. Manual and automatic mode switching button demonstration. The touchy pattern on the panel is the filling mode switching key. The video demonstrates the following operations. In manual mode, you need to clear the gross weight of the bottle and then press the start button to start bottling. You can also set a value by adding the liquid weight to the gross weight of the bottle and press the start button directly for filling. This method is very suitable for filling when there is liquid but the weight of the liquid in the bottle is not known. After placing the bottle in the automatic mode, the device will automatically fill the bottle. After removing the gross weight of the bottle, the device will start filling to the set weight value. Cleaning button demonstration. The cleaning button can be understood as the equipment reversal function. After the filling work is completed, reverse the joint 180 degrees to make the liquid outlet upward, and then remove the throttle valve. This operation can avoid liquid dripping on the weighing pan. After removing the throttle valve, make the equipment unsanitary. After removing the throttle valve and pressing the cleaning button, the liquid will be pumped back into the container. Press the start button to stop. Introduction to device speed regulation. Since the medium extracted by the equipment has different thicknesses and viscosities, the speed of the equipment needs to be adjusted to achieve the ideal extraction effect and filling accuracy requirements. The setting method is as follows. Long press the setting button for 3 seconds to enter the built-in setting program for modification, as demonstrated in the video. Find item blue of function settings and use M3 and M4 to adjust the speed by long pressing or inching. After adjusting, press the cleaning button to return to the main interface. Total count query. Press the panel numeric keys 4 and 5 simultaneously to enter the total count query interface. This function is mainly used for cumulative total query and is also used for equipment warranty reference. Press the clean key to exit the current interface. Restore factory settings. As per video operation, first press the setting button without moving. Then turn on the power switch until the adjustment interface pops out, then release it and press the start button to confirm. Note the device needs to be recalibrated after factory settings are restored. Weighing calibration settings. When you restore the factory settings or find that the filling weight of the equipment is inaccurate, you need to perform weighing calibration. Follow the method in the video as follows. Press and hold the start button, then turn on the power switch until the interface pops out and release it. Select the first item in the diagnosis weight calibration and press the start button to enter the calibration interface. Select 2 or 3 objects with different weights. After confirming the weight, follow the steps in the video to write them. After the calibration is completed, press the Clean button twice to return to the main interface.